Hi guys, this is your Berry. Welcome to another beautiful journey through the heart of rural Karnataka. Today we are taking a slow and a scenic drive from Mugguru to Hunasanahalli, which is passing through the charming villages and roads of Mugguru. Buckle up and let's enjoy the simplicity, beauty, and peace of village life. As we leave Mugguru behind, the horizon stretches wide, revealing the endless green fields, a few scattered trees, and the majestic mountains far in the distance. These rolling hills stand tall, creating a breathtaking backdrop to our journey. This is a Mughal village where time slows down and a life follows a peaceful rhythm. The small, title roof houses with the earthy tones and traditional wooden doors reflect the deep rooted culture of this region. Some houses still have been open courtyards where families gather for meals and stories. Look at these farmers in the fields tending to their crops with the patience and care. Their lives are woven with the land following the seasons, the sun and the rain. Unlike the rush of city life, here every step has purpose but never a hurry. Children will be playing under the open sky, free, happy, and unbothered of by gadgets or screens. The village roads may not be busy, but life here is rich with laughter and stories. As we drive further, the road winds through coconut groves and banana plantations. The trees sway gently in the breeze, casting long shadows of the dusty paths. The air feels fresh, carrying the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers.
भेद लगो सपने बुनो कल का सोचो दिल से चुनो प्यार करो दुनिया से प्यार सबको अपना लगता संसार अनुराग में हरियाली पेड़ लगाओ या सुख संभाली प्रकृति से मित्र बनाओ मंगल गातर ना गाओ पेड़ लगाओ जिंदगी बढ़ाओ सबके सपने पुराने भुलाओ पेड़ लगाओ रंगीन दुनिया हमसे हमारी है ये दोस्ती नया छोटी छोटी खुशबू प्यारी शहर में ले आओ बारी बारी नदियों की राहें खुले आंखों से ख्वाब नुज फूले पंछियों की बोली प्यारी नीला आसमान सुनहरा बड़ी हरी पेड़ लगाओ शहर बसाइए जिंदगी को नए रंग छटाइए पेड़ लगाओ जिंदगी बढ़ाओ सबके सपने पुराने भुलाओ पेड़ लगाओ रंगीन दुनिया हमसे हमारी है ये दोस्ती नया पंछियों की बोली प्यारी नीला आसमान सुनहरा बड़ी हरी पेड़ लगाओ शहर बसाइए जिंदगी को नए रंग छटाइए पेड़ लगाओ जिंदगी बढ़ाओ सबके सपने पुराने भुलाओ this morning, the sun in my eyes. Left behind the shadows, I'm ready to rise. Every stumble I faced, every tear that I've cried, made me stronger inside. Now I'm ready to fly. I'm breaking the chains, I'm setting me free. Climbing the mountains, just wait and see. With every heartbeat, I'm finding my way. I'm rising up high, brighter than the day. I'm rising up high, brighter than the day. Fighting the doubts that try to hold me down, I'm wearing my courage like a crown. Every step that I take, I'm closer to me. Embracing the journey, I'm finally free. I'm breaking the chains, I'm setting me free. Climbing the mountains, just wait and see. With every heartbeat, I'm finding my way. I'm rising up high, brighter than the day. Through the storms and the rain, I've learned to be bold. With a heart full of dreams and a spirit of gold. No more looking back, I'm ready to soar. With the fire inside, I'm ready for more. I'm breaking the chains, I'm setting me free. Climbing the mountains, just wait and see. With every heartbeat, I'm finding my way. I'm rising up high, brighter than the day. Yeah, I'm rising up high, nothing can hold me down. With my head held high, I'm taking the crown. My head held high, I'm taking the crown.
As we approach the entry point of Mugur, a sense of calm washes over us. The village welcomes us with its winding roads, lush greenery, and traditional homes standing gracefully in the harmony with the nature.
पेड़ लगाओ, जिंदगी बढ़ाओ, सबके सपने पुराने बुलाओ। पेड़ लगाओ, रंगीन दुनिया, हमसे हमारी है ये दोस्ती नया।
And just as the day nears its end, a slight evening drizzle adds to the beauty of nature. Raindrop touches the leaves and earthy scent rises, and the cool breeze makes everything feel even more magical. The distant mountains, now misty, seems even more serene under the soft rain. The golden hour sets in, bathing the village in a warm glow. The sun slowly dips, coloring the sky in shades of orange and pink. It's a perfect time to pause, take a deep breath, and soak in the beauty of this untouched landscape. And here we are at Usanahalli, a place where the journey feels just as rewarding as the destination. These quiet roads, these simple homes, and the distant hills reminds us of the beauty hidden in the plain sight. If you have enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep appreciating the little joys of life. See you in the next adventure. Until then, take care. Bye bye.